What's up, everyone? It's Dementos here, and I'm back here with 4 Rage of Raw. Now, let's see what we pull. First one, Jinzo Ejector, Token Sunday, Raw's Disciple, Cyber Energy. Ooh! Meckler Emperor Astral. Are you happy with that? Meckler Emperor Weisel, Reboot, Jinzo Ejector, Cosmic Channeling, and Jinzo. Next pack. Let's see what we get. Meckler Fortress, Jinzo Ejector, Nerd Sunday, Reaction Slime, and Raw's Disciple. Last pack. Can we pull Broken? Let's see. Reboot, Weisel, Jinzo Lord, RNG Sock, and on there Jinzo. But at least I pulled this one, was actually kind of the highlight. That's it. Thank you for watching this. Me signing out.